beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, my name is Jennifer Charles, and for my old subscribers, thank you very much. Like you guys, this is my first video of 2021. Happy New Year to you guys. Thank God for the new year. 2020 was just but 2021 we are moving. Yes guys, we are moving. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make onion oil for massive hair growth. Like, my hair has grown a lot, and I'm going to be showing you a little bit of what I do to grow my hair and to make my hair look more thicker and darker. All right guys, enough of the rambling, let's get into the video. To make the onions oil, you need the white onions and the red onions. So I'm going to cut these into pieces, like I'm going to be showing you guys two ways you can make the onions oil for massive hair growth. I'll just take this one aside, and I'm going to cut the red onions. So guys, I've cut the onions. The next step is the oil. I'm using extra virgin oil. All right, you can use avocado oil. I don't have avocado oil right now. I'm using the extra virgin olive oil. I'll be putting 15 spoons of this oil. And please, you are going to be cooking on a low heat, to the pan. And please, you guys, you are doing this on a low heat, all right? So we are going to let this sit for hours, all right? We are going to let this cool down, okay? So guys, I'm going to show you another way you can make your onions oil for massive hair growth. And we are going to be using blender. I'm going to cut the red one. and I'm going to add 30 spoons of my extra virgin oil. So guys, it's the next day and I'm done with my oils. This one was the one that I blended, all right, the onion I blend before frying it, while this one is from the one I slide to oils. So guys, I'm going to take out my head now and show you guys how you can apply the oils. All right, so I think I'll go with this one, or let me go with this one. I'm done taking out my braids. All right, so to apply this, so to apply the oil, just shake. You are going to apply this oil to your scalp. So you guys, you can apply this oil to your scalp 2 to 3 times a week and you will get amazing results. Okay, and guys, please, if you try this oil, come back to the comment section and drop your opinion. All right, all right guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.